Okay, so I just set up the fireplace diffuser. It's plugged in, but there's an off and on switch. It won't stay on, and that's because you need to go ahead and fill it with water and set it up. So that's what we'll do. So look inside of here. All right, and I'm just gonna pour it with water to the max line right there. And now you get some of your favorite oil. And this happened to be one of mine. Put a few drops in. Okay. We're gonna put the top back on it. And now we'll push the button in the back and start it up. There we go. Wow, look at that. Flames come out really fast. The fireplace is lit. That looks awesome. And there you have it. That looks like actual flames. There you have it. This is your fireplace oil water diffuser.